Hi everyone, welcome to Westart Creations. Let's draw a cool dinosaur puppet. Time to give our dino some vibrant colors and make it roar with excitement.
The mouse ran up the clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck three. Fiddly-dee, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
And it's done.
Yay!
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Bye bye.